If you're into long hikes and good views, I recommend adding Mount Izumi Katsuragi on your bucket list. Mount Izumi Katsuragi is a mountain located on the border between Osaka and Wakayama prefectures. It is a part of the Katsuragi Mountains along with Mount Minami Katsuragi, Mount Naka Katsuragi, Mount Yamato Katsuragi, and Mount Katsuragi Izunukuni. Mount Izumi Katsuragi is 858 meters high and has been known as the heart of the Katsuragi Mountains since the ancient times. You can reach the summit by car, motorcycle, mountain bike, or of course by hiking if you're feeling more adventurous. There are several viewing platforms on the top and the view is magnificent in spring with all the greens covering the entire mountain. There are also a few public toilets and even a camping area which is often used for events and small festivals. And if you're wondering how long it would take to reach the summit on foot, it really depends. Some say they've reached it in less than 2 hours, but in our case, it took us 4 hours as we've decided to give ourselves resting periods and taking the view from the base to the top.